What's up, guys? Just want to show you the finished product of the Scion FRS. We did Glacier Frost full body wrap with black accents. Excuse the water, I got a little bit of, just washed it, got it cleaned up, just got it outside. It's a really gray day, so, but I said I want to do a quick walk around. Full vinyl wrap. Very difficult car, very difficult bumpers, fenders, and you can see we painted the front trim piece there. We did a black vinyl stripe, painted the mirrors, painted the spoiler black. Really came out cool. Customer's about to pick it up. Just want to give you guys a quick walk around, show you guys finished product. We got a few other cars. We got the Range Rover behind there going in satin white. That will be started later today. And we got a full paint job and a few other projects. So if you guys have any questions, hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, the website 88customs.com. You can give us a call, 860-326-5289, and we'll see you on the next project.